So I decided to get a new iPhone, which I'm really happy about because my old iPhone I have since 2020 and it's long overdue an upgrade. And I am on the bill pay deal where after 2 years they ask, do you want to upgrade? So I decided to upgrade and I'm so happy because the battery on this one, it's 75%. So it's not the best. It overheats really badly, especially in the summer. And it kind of affected my camera, so the pictures weren't as sharp. So I picked up the 128GB. This one was only 60 something. It barely has any storage and I really struggled with the storage. So this one's 128, so it will be okay for the next 2 years, and I can upgrade to the one with more storage because I do have a lot of photos that I don't want to get rid of because they build up, throughout the year, and I try and keep minimal photos. And then I got this case. Did think it would be a little bit more of a darker color, but it's more kind of like a beige. It's nice for summer. I probably will end up getting a personalized one like this, but this one, the quality isn't as sturdy as this, so that's why I went for this type of one. And it's MagSafe as well because I do want to get a Apple MagSafe portable charger. And I'm going to take some pictures right here. I feel like it would be a good picture place. I like to kind of turn down the brightness, so it just looks like that. And then I don't really want the case in it, to be honest. I'm just going to take a picture of the phone by itself. So today is St. Patrick's Day. I just took some pictures on my phone. It's so much brighter. I feel like the saturation is much more there, which I'm not used to. So I need to play around with it. But as I said, I am going to do a what's my iPhone at the end of this video and show you kind of how I set it up. We're heading off soon. We're just going to go and have a look in Marks and Spencer's, just few different shops, pick up some stuff for Mother's Day, which is tomorrow. And I did actually just use purple shampoo in my hair and it really just brought it back because it was going too warm. I love when it's a kind of grey, not even grey, but an icy colour. But I'll show you my outfit. It's the same outfit that I just continuously wear. I'm having trouble finding stuff since I stopped shopping at Zara. I haven't bought clothes since October. Yes, that's crazy for me. Because normally I would get a couple of things a month, not too many things, but so I've been trying to look for only linen, only cotton, only real fabrics, but it's proven definitely hard. And I feel like for my holiday that's coming up this summer, I might have to get fabrics that aren't real, because the shorts that I love, they're polyester, but I'm really obsessed with the style and the shape. And I feel like the minute I stopped limiting myself to only real fabrics, I started becoming excited about shopping and fashion again, because yeah, there's been nothing for a few months now and it's kind of I'm just re-wearing the same old stuff. So I'll show you my outfit. It is unfortunately raining and really misty today, but then this evening I'm going for an Italian dinner with Luke's family. I don't really know if I'll vlog the food, maybe I will on my iPhone, but yeah, I'll show you my outfit now before we go. So it is kind of dark, but this is my outfit. I just put on these long pants from Zara, the same turtleneck that I keep wearing, and this scarf as well that I always wear. And then I have my blazer behind me from Lily Silk. I might pop that on later for the dinner, but I think right now I'm just going to wear my long black coat because it's more casual to go out in the day. I need to grab an umbrella as well. It's Sunday today. I'm just having a chill day. I have I changed all of my sheets yesterday and cleaned, and yeah, I still need to dust though, so I need to do that. But I'm just over here by the lights so I have good lighting. So this is my new iPhone and I did customize it. The only thing that I did that was kind of incorrect was I picked up the wrong screen protector. I didn't know this one was for the regular 14 and not the Pro, because I wanted my camera not covered. But what I didn't know is on the new iPhone 14 Pro, the screen actually goes up above. See up here? So I need a full screen protector, which I did order some more on Amazon, so that will be here soon. As I said, the case is from OtterBox from Amazon. Now please let me know in the comments, do I need a camera protector? I'm not sure, because I feel like these cameras are so big that if I were to drop my phone, it would not be a pretty sight. So I just really want to make sure that I'm looking after my new phone. So yeah, I did see some on Amazon from JTech as well, but people were saying that it was affecting the camera when taking pictures and stuff, which I don't want. So let me know if any of you do use those on your iPhone 14s. So let's start off with what's on my iPhone. So I like to customize my phone This wallpaper is from Pinterest. I just typed in horses. So this is how I have my phone customized. Again, these pictures are all from Pinterest, the Widgetsmith app I used to create these. So I just typed in like Paris aesthetic, vintage envelope, horse art I typed in for that one. I typed in museum aesthetic for this one. And then these two I kind of just found by going through photos that I had pinned already. So yeah, I kind of just did my phone the same as my old one because this is the way I like it. I basically have OCD, so I have to have things similar to the way they usually were. And like if one of these apps get moved from where they are, I have like a minor freak out. So I have my Instagram here. This is my first app that I like to keep. And this is my Instagram if you want to follow me. It's just Jade M Kavnia. So yeah, I just have all like my highlights here, all my photos. I do love Instagram, not gonna lie. So next I have TikTok, and this is my account on TikTok. So you can follow me on there. And I am going to be posting a lot more now because I have this new phone, so it's much better quality to post on. Then I have my YouTube. This is my YouTube channel, which I'm sure you know because you're watching my YouTube channel right now. All of my videos. I hope YouTube picks up again because everyone's views has dropped recently, so I'm not gonna let that get to me. Then I have my notes, which I keep like my to-do list, any plans coming up, holidays and dates and stuff. Then I have calendar, which is pretty obvious. App Store, Safari, photos. Then if you go to the next page, I have alarm, weather, Pinterest. I've been obsessed with this bag. Like I really want to get this bag. I don't even know the name of it. Just a lot of like inspiration. Cute little doggy. I'm not gonna bother like list and link my Pinterest because I don't actually have any boards on public. They're all private boards, and I just use Pinterest to kind of do it for like wish lists and stuff, and I don't know, just manifestations and things that I want to manifest I will pin on there. Then I have calculator. Then I have Depop, which I'm kind of just like selling stuff that doesn't fit me anymore and they're still in pretty good quality. So if you want to buy from there, you have to be from Ireland. I don't ship anywhere else. I used to ship to the UK, but recently with the taxes and all that, it's just way too much for people to be spending on Depop, so I stopped doing there. So I just have shipping within Ireland only. Then lastly, I have my Spotify. So I have all of these playlists: Vampire Diaries 1, Summertime, Gossip Girl, classics, you know, like my everyday songs I listen to, Christmas, Scream Queens. So yeah, I really do love Spotify. It's like one of my most used apps as well. And that's pretty much it. That is all that's on my iPhone. And oh yeah, down here I have Gmail, messages, photos, and then I have phone. I just think it's just so good, like the quality. It's just, look at that, how clear. It's crazy. Really, really obsessed with this new phone, and it just means that I'm going to be creating so much more content. And as I said, the front camera is blurry, so I need to wait for the screen protectors to arrive, because you can see there, it's literally just covering the camera. See where the little dot is? So today I'm wearing the exact same outfit as when you last saw me, so I'm not going to show you that because I need to get new clothes. I'm going to head off now, bring the camera with me, and we shall see what pajamas I pick up. Okay, I just got home. I didn't vlog in Tesco because they didn't really have any pajamas, but this is what we got in Tesco. I was actually with my mum, my nanny. Luke wasn't there, he's in work. So this is the Easter egg that I got him for Easter. He wanted the Lily O'Brien's honeycomb. There's bits of honeycomb going through. And then my parents got these Easter eggs for me and Luke. And Luke's gonna get my Easter egg the next day. I don't even think I want another Easter egg. I think I just want like Kinder cards. I'm just obsessed with Kinder cards. That's it for today's vlog. My new screen protectors actually arrived. I'll show you those. It's so dark today. It's like rainy from JTech. So I'm going to put these on my phone and hopefully the camera won't be blurry anymore. Yeah, I'm going to clean my room now, go in for a shower, take off my makeup. My hair actually needs a wash, so I probably will do that tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog and I will be back very, very soon with a new one.